Okay. Finished getting what I need, and just like that, the cat is ready to walk me back. You are a blessing. You know that, Mr. Cool Cat? My little furry angel. Look at the artwork the kids did. Gobble, gobble. Turkey Day. Just a walking. Yep, and some Sir Lancelot following. Beautiful. Okay. Well, thank you, Sir Lancelot. Oh. Okay, well, I have to go now, okay? I appreciate you. God bless you, okay? I can't let you in. The family's going to be upset. I really can't let you in. I don't even know if you have all your shots. Okay. I'll see if I can get you a piece of chicken or something, okay?